Everybody is doing different things, but we're all working towards the same end game, the same goal. And everybody, no matter what the trade, will help out anybody else that needs help without hesitation. My name's Terry Brandenburg. I have worked at Cardinal Heating for about 1.5 years, and I am a service electrician. It really doesn't matter if you are the first year apprentice or a 25-year, journeyman. There's a really good sense of teamwork here that I haven't experienced before. Everything here at Cardinal starts from the management and up, right from the owners that are here every day in the morning with the guys, getting everybody going for the day. The management team treats you like you matter. They treat you with respect. Our bosses, our coworkers, our jobs, our tools, everything about this company is built to succeed. The fact that it's a family-owned business and that sense of family is carried from the top all the way down through everybody. I don't think I would ever work for another company that didn't have that kind of atmosphere. It's that important to me.